Hi, my name's Tom. We just got this Bedsure, kind of this twin blanket here for my son. It's a fleece blanket for my son's dorm room. And I wanted to talk about it and just kind of tell you why I think this thing's going to work great, especially for his entire college career. This is brand new. This is kind of the blue or the kind of the gray slate. It looks really nice. It's nice and fluffy. It's very, very warm. And I think it's going to last a long time. How do I know this? Because this is a brand new Bedsure sheet we just got. Here is one from 4 years ago, and it is still soft. It is still warm. It's a little worn. It has been used a little bit. Once you wash it 3 or 4 times, some of the lamb in the inside there, some of that Sherpa does get a little less white and a little less fluffy, but it doesn't pill up real hard. It's still soft. It's still, again, a very, very warm blanket. It still works very well. This one, my dog has kind of taken it over, so it's got a little fur on it. But otherwise, it is still a great blanket. We put them on couches. We put them on beds during the winter time. We use them for just kind of a guest pillow. The ones where we say, okay, the dog likes this one, we'll give it to the dog. Our cats like it. These are just really, really great all-purpose utility Sherpa blankets. They last a long time. They're warm, they're soft, they're washable. We really like them, and I think you will too.